Welcome to the opening activity called Something from Nothing. This activity introduces the kids to the fact that only God can create something from nothing. Your kids are going to make or build things using different types of materials that you're going to have kept in boxes around your room. The last box is going to be empty, and when they get to that, they're going to learn the fact that only God can make something out of nothing. So you're going to need a list of items that you want the kids to try and build, and you can find some examples on your help sheet. Then you're going to need some boxes of different materials like Lincoln Logs, Tinker Toys, sticks, cards, Play-Doh, anything that kids could make something out of. Then introduce the activity by saying something like this. All right, today we are going to be builders. I've got some different blocks and stuff around the room that I'm going to let you go to, and I'm going to give you something that I want you to build. I'll give you an amount of time to build it, okay? Pretty simple. All right, so Sabrina and Preston, why don't you guys, since you're sitting close to this, use these blocks. Lorianne, why don't you use those things, and Roddy, you can use these blocks over here. First one's going to be kind of simple. I want you to build me a house, okay? Build me a house. Give you a little bit of time to do it. There's quite a few different examples listed on your help sheet. You can do all of them or only a few of them. I'm only going to do a couple, obviously, for illustration purposes. And according to how much time you have, you're going to, that'll determine how much time you give them to build each one of the things that they're building. All right, I'm just going to give you guys a couple more seconds here. Building a house, building a house, building a house, and stop, all right? Very good. Yeah, you guys did good. All right, all different. Obviously, with those, you're going to get a little different looking house, but that's good. All right, okay, very good. Now, why don't you put your blocks away? We're going to have everybody shift. You guys come on over to here. Lorianne, you come on over here. Roddy, you go to those. All right, this one's going to be a little bit more difficult. I want you to build me a dinosaur. A dinosaur. All right? See how you guys do with the different things that you have to build a dinosaur. Okay? Some of these things are a little bit easier to make things out of, aren't they? Different building blocks. You can do a lot of things with those building blocks. But they all have the ability to be used to make something. Okay? All right, and stop. Very good. Wow, very good, guys. All right, all of these are dinosaurs. You guys did good. All right, go ahead and put all that stuff away, then come back here to the center of the room and let's talk about what we did before we go into our large group time. All right. Now that we've built out of these things, I've got one special box that I've been saving that I want you guys to build something out of. But before we do that, let me ask you a question. Were some of those things easier to build than others?
Oh, yeah.
The house was probably a little bit easier. It's a square with a roof as opposed to a dinosaur. But you were able to make something out of the stuff that I gave to you. Okay, cool. All right, I want you guys, I'm gonna do something simple with the stuff that I got in this box. I want you to make just a simple cube, just a square, okay? Out of the stuff that's inside this box. Okay, I'm gonna give you 30 seconds to do it. All right? You guys think you can do it?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. And, all right, go ahead. 30 seconds, and go. What's the matter? What's the matter?
There's nothing there.
Nothing here. Box is empty.
Really? So what's the problem?
You can't make something out of nothing.
Really? Very good, excellent. So, okay, let's stop. I know that there's nothing in the box. That's the point of what we're doing today. All of the different things that I asked you to do before, you were able to make. Why?
Because we had
You had stuff to make it out of. Exactly. Nobody, not even the most brilliant scientists in the world, can make something from nothing. But you know what? There is somebody who can. Doesn't live on this earth. Who do you think that might be?
God.
Exactly. Only God has the ability to take something like, there's nothing in that box. You couldn't do anything with it. But God can take something or he can make something out of nothing. And that's what we're going to be talking about all day today in our large group time. How God is the only being that can make something out of nothing. So let's go into our large group time and let's talk a little bit about that. All right, come on.